Dear viewers, today discuss single phase energy meter connection, electric board, and energy meter, line volt 230 volt, 50 hertz. Main CP circuit breaker, single pole, and electric board বা distribution board, electric switch, electric board, phase line meter connected and neutral, second terminal meter connected. Port terminal main CB circuit breaker first terminal connected and third terminal meter second terminal CB connected. First terminal output and CB circuit breaker to leakage breaker connected, phase and neutral connected, and input circuit breaker 1, circuit breaker 2, circuit breaker 3, circuit breaker 4, circuit breaker 5 connected, and neutral link neutral connected, pass circuit breaker connected, switchboard and phase line and neutral line, load light. Second circuit breaker output, third circuit breaker port circuit breaker output, pipe circuit breaker output.